Frustrated with the error message, the file is corrupt and cannot be opened in Microsoft Office? You're not alone. This common issue can disrupt your workflow and cause significant delays. This error typically indicates that the file you're trying to open has been damaged or corrupted. This can happen due to various reasons, such as improper file saving, sudden power loss, or issues with the storage media. Manually fixing this error can be complicated and time-consuming, but don't worry, there's an easier way to fix this problem. Our software can automatically scan and repair corrupted Office files, saving you time and hassle. Simply download our tool from the link in the description, run the scan, and let it do the rest. If the software can't fix the issue automatically, it will provide you with a detailed guide on how to resolve it.